I am HVAC repair guy with over 17 years of experience as a technician, installer, and contractor. And I also served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today I am putting two central air conditioning systems side by side to help you decide which one makes sense for your home. The Maytag PSA4BF and the Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, the Maytag PSA4BF features a heavy-duty louvered steel cabinet that protects the outdoor condenser coil from lawn debris, hail, and impacts. The Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2 uses slotted cabinet panels for coil protection rather than full louvered panels or open wire guards. When it comes to sound dampening, both models include a compressor blanket, but the Della operates much quieter at 58 decibels compared to the Maytag at 70 decibels. In terms of cooling performance, the Della carries a higher efficiency rating at 17. SEER2. The Maytag PSA4BF sits at 15.2, SEER2, and both units are categorized in the premium tier for efficiency. While both can achieve the same cooling capacity, the Della will consume slightly less electricity during high-demand summer months. Both systems operate on two-speed equipment with neither using variable speed fans or variable speed compressors. This two-speed setup allows both units to run at a lower stage on moderate days for better humidity control and energy savings, then ramp up when demand peaks. Maytag central air conditioning units are produced in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC, now part of REM Manufacturing. The Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2 is manufactured in China. For real-world installed pricing, a professional installation for the Maytag PSA4BF generally ranges from $7,000 to $11,000 depending on tonnage, ductwork condition, and regional rates. The Della equipment carries lower upfront equipment costs with full installed pricing typically between $4,500 and $8,000, though numbers depend on your local installer. Warranty coverage reveals a major difference with Maytag offering a 12-year general warranty, a 12-year compressor warranty, and a 12-year unit replacement warranty. Della provides a 1-year general warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty with no unit replacement warranty, and both brands require professional dealer installation. My honest recommendation is the Maytag PSA4BF, because a 1-year warranty on a major central AC purchase is a huge risk for a homeowner. Maytag gives you solid cabinet coil protection, backing by REM and Nortec, and a 12-year unit replacement warranty that protects your investment for the long haul.